Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to download and install Genshin Impact on your PC or on your laptop. If you're using any PC or on your laptop and you want to download and install Genshin Impact games, let's see how can you easily do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser you have to search for Genshin Impact. Just search with the name and you'll get multiple websites here. You just have to open the first and the official website. Just open the website here and just scroll down and you will see the option of PC download. Just tap on this PC download here and then wait for it until the download completes. After completing your download, you just have to open the download folder, or you can directly tap on this folder option to open the download folder or the file where it has been downloaded. Now just double tap on it to run the setup. After that, just tap on the security option here and then tap on yes. So now it will take a while to install. Just check these boxes and then tap on quick installation, or you can also select custom installation if you want to. But I'm gonna select quick installation, so it's had been installing. So once the game has been installed, just tap on this finish and launch option. So you have successfully downloaded and installed Genshin Impact game on your PC or on your laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.